Good morning, students. Today we will explain exercise 1A problems. First Roman, second problem. F from R minus Z0 to R is defined by f of x equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. What is given here? F is a function from R minus singleton 0. R minus singleton 0 means domain should not contain the element 0. R minus singleton 0 means what? The set of all real numbers except 0. Set of all real numbers except 0. F is defined on R minus singleton 0 to R. That means domain is set of all real numbers except 0 and codomain is set of all real numbers, which is defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Here if you take 0 element in domain, then 1 by 0 means indefinite. That means not defined this. So the domain should not contain singleton 0. Write the given information. F from R minus Z0 to R is defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Here what we have to show? F of x plus f of 1 by x equal to 0. That means add f of x plus f of 1 by x. What is your f of 1 by x? F of x is given like this. What is f of 1 by x? To do f of 1 by x, that means it is 1 by x is written in place of x. That means in right hand side also replace x with 1 by x. That means f of 1 by x equal to 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube. We are replacing x with 1 by x. This given function. Here we have replacing x with 1 by x. Replace x with 1 by x. That means substitute x is equal to 1 by x. F of 1 by x is equal to, in place of x write 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by, in place of x write 1 by x whole cube. That is equal to 1 by x whole cube means 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube. You know that a whole cube means you can write a cube. In the same manner, 1 by a whole cube means we can write 1 by a cube. Similarly, here 1 by x whole cube means 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube. What is the reciprocal of 1 by x cube? X cube. Reciprocal of x cube is 1 by x cube, and 1 by x cube reciprocal is x cube. Understood? Here 1 by x cube means if you do reciprocal, then you get x cube. Then f of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x cube minus x cube. Now you have to show f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to 0. So add these two things. F of x, now f of x plus f of 1 by x. What is the value of f of x? X cube minus 1 by x cube, right there. And what is f of 1 by x? 1 by x cube minus x cube. Now x cube plus x cube and minus x cube get cancelled, and minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube get cancelled. That means it is equal to 0. Hence the problem, f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Therefore f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. The next problem, f from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to 1 minus x square by f1 plus x square. What is the function? Here f is a function from R to R, real numbers to real numbers. Is defined by, how it is defined? F of x is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. That means what? If you take input as x, that the value output is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Image of x is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now show that f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta. Function is f of x is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now we have to prove that f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta. So take LHS equal to f of tan theta. Observe these two things. Here I wrote f of x. Instead of x, I have written tan theta. So in right hand side also replace x with tan theta. So 1 minus x square becomes what? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus x square becomes 1 plus tan square theta. That is equal to, we know that in your previous classes tan theta equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Understood? In your previous classes, we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So replace tan square theta by sin square theta by cos square theta, which is divided by 1 plus tan square theta means 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now take LCM. Take LCM here. 1 into cos square theta cos square theta. So cross multiply these things. 1 to cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta, which is again divided by, here also take LCM, multiply these things, cos square theta and cross multiply cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta by, what is the value of this cos square theta plus sin square theta? This is the trigonometric identity. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. In your previous classes you got this value. So cos square theta minus sin square theta by 1, which is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, which is equal to cos 2 theta. What is the derivation for this one? In your previous classes, you learned cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If you replace a with theta and b with theta, then you get cos of theta plus theta equal to cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. Replace all things a and b with theta. Then cos 2 theta equal to cos theta into cos theta becomes cos square theta. Sin theta into sin theta becomes sin square theta. So cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. By using this formula, you got f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta, which is equal to RHS. Hence, the problem. The next problem is, this is important for IPE. If f from r minus set plus r minus 1 to r is defined by f of x is equal to log of modulus 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 into f of x. First of all, understand the problem. If f from r minus set plus r minus 1 to r is defined by, f is a function from which set? R minus set plus r minus 1. That means set of all real numbers except this plus 1 minus 1. That means plus 1 and minus 1 not included in the real number set. It is a domain and set of all real numbers is a codomain. Why this? If you take plus 1, then what happens? 1 minus plus 1 becomes 0. This is in 1 by 0 becomes infinity. Log of infinity not defined. If you take minus 1, what happens? 1 plus of minus 1 means 0. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Numerator becomes log 0 is not defined. Log infinity is not defined. And also log 0 also not defined. So here in the domain plus 1 and minus 1 does not exist. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 into f of x. Understood? Here, write the given information first and then we have to find the value of, show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So, take this one, f of 2x by 1 plus x square. Instead of x, I am writing 2x by 1 plus x square in left hand side. Observe this. F of x Here f of 2x by 1 plus x square. Here instead of x I am writing 2x by 1 plus x square. So in right hand side also you should write instead of x 2x by 1 plus x square. Substitute x with 2x by 1 plus x square. Understood? That is equal to log of 1 plus instead of x 2x by 1 plus x square, which is divided by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Understood? That is equal, take LCM for this one. 1 plus x square into 1, 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square. And here also take LCM, 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square into 1, 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Here 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square cancelled, and remaining are log of modulus 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square minus 2x. We can write 1 plus x square plus 2x as 1 plus x whole square. Why? By using a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here instead of a we have 1 and b x. 1 plus x whole square gives 1 square plus x square plus 2 into 1 into x. That means 1 plus x square plus 2x. So this can be written as 1 plus x whole square. Again here also 1 plus x square minus 2x can be written as 1 minus x whole square. That means expand this one. 1 plus x whole square gives what? 1 square plus x square plus 2 into 1 into x. 2ab means what? 2 into 1 into x, which gives what? 1 plus x square plus 2 into 1, 2 into x, 2x. Understood? Similarly, you get 1 minus x square also, 1 plus x square minus 2x. So, it can be written as 1 plus x square, x whole square, and it can be written as 1 minus x whole square. Now, you can write a square by b square equal to a by b whole square by using law of exponents. In your previous classes, you learned this law of exponent. A square by b square can be written as a by b whole square. Similarly, 1 plus x whole square by 1 minus x whole square can be written as 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Now, log of a power n. It is like log of a power n. Log a power n can be written as n into log a in your logarithmic formulas. Power should be multiplied. 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So observe this. What is this log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x? Observe, log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x means f of x. So now you can write 2 into f of x. Hence the problem. You got f of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 into f of x. Hence proved. Understood? Next problem, fifth one. If a equal to set of all minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and f from a to b is a surjection defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. What is b? Codomain. F from a to b is a function. That means here a is a codomain and b is codomain. You have to find out codomain. Given f from a to b is a surjection. What is surjection? Already you know what is surjection. What is surjection? If a function f from a to b is said to be surjection, then codomain is equal to range of f. Range of f. If any function is said to be surjection, then range of that function is equal to codomain. Given information a equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Since f from a to b is a surjection, by the definition of surjection, what you can write? Codomain is equal to range of f. If you find range of f, it is easy to get codomain. So, but how to find the range of f? Simply substitute all the values of domain in the function x, and that means applying all the inputs to this function. That means f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1 means what? F of minus, if you take x is equal to minus 2, then substitute minus 2 in x. F of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 1. That means minus 2 whole square gives 4. Plus of minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1 gives 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 gives 3. So minus 2 is mapped to 3. That means image of minus 2 is 3. Now again f of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 1. Take x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole square gives 1. Plus of minus 1 gives minus 1 plus 1. 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. The remaining is 1. So minus 1 is mapped to 1. F of 0. So substitute x is equal to 0. 0 square plus 0 plus 1. So f of 0 equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1 equal to 0. Now 0 is mapped to 1 again. Minus 1 is mapped to 1 and 0 also mapped to 1. F of 1. F of 1 means substituting x is equal to 1. X square means 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 square plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 1 square gives 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 1 is mapped to 3. That means image of 1 is 3. Now f of 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 here. Then 2 square plus 2 plus 1. F of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1, which gives 2 square gives 4 plus 2 plus 1, which equal to what? 6 plus 1, 7. So range of f equal to what? All the results 3, 1, same 1, 3, 7. So range of f equal to 1, 3, 7. Range of f equal to what? All these elements are called range of f. So range of f equal to 1, 3, 7. So since f is a surjection, range is equal to codomain. Since f is a surjection, range is equal to codomain. Therefore codomain is equal to what? B is equal to set of all 1, 3, 7.